Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. Firstly, open your Play Store and find X Icon Changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now need close ads, and now from the list choose your application what you wanna change. Maybe Call of Duty will be nice, so to choose your application, then from the list of library icons find your favorite, and for example I want this one. And now on the top right corner we got OK button, so press it. Wait a second for generation. Sorry for this, need close ads maybe a few times. Okay, need 3 ads. Okay, now press add to home screen button, and we got success message that our new icon of Call of Duty add to home screen. So let's find, oh here you got our new icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.